Hi, welcome to Little Creative Thinkers. Today we are going to do a project for class 5 on how to make a wind vane. We require the following: glue stick, some scissors, a mark pen, a pencil for drawing, a new pencil with a rubber, a ruler, some straws. You just need one straw, then a manila paper to make the arrow and the head, then some boxes, empty boxes of shoes. It also needs a thumb tack for the pin. These are the stitching pins. I prefer that because it's long. Still, you can use the thumb tacks, the long ones. I started by marking 21 centimeters, then I divided it into 3 parts. 14 for the tail and 7 for the arrowhead. Remember, the tail should be twice the size of the arrowhead. So I cut out the 7, then I fold the remaining 14 at the middle, apply glue stick, then I stick it together. I trimmed out the unwanted parts. Then using the ruler, I measured. This was 7 centimeters. So I marked at 3.5 and then drew a line to make the arrow. Then I cut out the unwanted parts, and then I have the head and the arrow. I took the straw. Here I was deciding the color to use. Then I had to cut it I had to cut off the part I didn't want. Then poked the pin in the middle and stuck it on the rubber on top. Ensure that the hole is wide to ensure that the pin is moving. Then I cut the straw, both ends, where I'm going to fix the tail and the head. So finally done. I need to try out and see if it's going to twist and turn. If it's not twisting and turning, that shows it's very tight. Then I take the box. These will form the stand. I mark where I'm going to put the pencil through. Then I poke it up. You can also use some clay, molding clay. You stick it in inside the carton, or even paper plates, disposable paper plates, instead of using the cartons. Either will work. Or even a round carton. Now I need to make the cardinal points. So I measure and then cut to make the cardinal points, 4 of them. And I mark the north, east, west, and south. apply the glue stick, then label the north, the south, the west and the east. So I'm done. I tried blowing it off in my mouth, and I can see it's turning perfectly. Now I need to take it outside for the wind to blow. Remember the arrow of a wind vane always point where the wind is blowing from, not to. Now I take it out. I've established the north from the compass. Now the wind is working on the wind vane. I've placed it on an open ground, on a rooftop, and you can see how nicely it's working. And it's very easy to know where the wind is blowing from and blowing to. So like us, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our channel for more videos coming. Share, and thank you for watching Breeze with Creative. Thank you.